So today we're making tomato choka, and we have 6 tomatoes, 1/4 of an onion, we have 3 cloves of garlic grated, and we have a hot pepper. Alright, we're gonna wrap the tomatoes up. I'm gonna put it on the stove on medium heat and roast it. We're gonna flip them. So that has been roasting for 30 minutes and it's done. We're just taking off the skin. Mash like this. We're gonna mash it. Putting a tablespoon of oil. So we're gonna fry the onion and half a fresh garlic pepper and onion. 2 cloves of garlic grated. Put that in there. So we're adding it to the tomatoes. Add half a teaspoon of salt.
And mix it up.
This is my favorite choka. I think this is my favorite one. It's really good. I like the roasted tomato.